Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a case from Foluu. Foluu is a brand we've seen before here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and not just for the types of cases I use, but also the flip cases our Chief Aperture Officer Lucas uses. And when the Pixel 7 Pro arrived, I decided to do some shopping around on Amazon for cases for the device. The Foluu was one of the first ones that came up, so let's have a look at what it's like. Packaging is fairly simple. It's essentially a Ziploc bag with the case on the inside. On the inside you have a small, light plastic bag with a foam insert to keep the case in shape, and the case itself. So the case itself is a rubber bumper case with a transparent back with a cutout for the camera module, and it should provide protection for the device. So let's slip the Pixel 7 Pro by Google into the device. Now, first impressions are very, very positive. So first impressions are quite positive. It fits the phone really, really well. Let's do the first thing, the most important one, is check that power button. Yes, the power button works great and it isn't sticky. Next up, I'll try unlocking my phone and trying the volume rocker, see how that works. So the volume rocker is slightly lower down on the Pixel 7 Pro compared to the 6 Pro, and as you can see, that works great. Again, no stickiness here, everything works as expected. So let's have a look at the other features. The camera module actually sticks out from the case. I think this may be an issue if you're someone who wants to have a case which is protecting the camera module, because this has about a millimeter lip or half a millimeter lip from the case up, which means your camera module is potentially unprotected, especially if you put your phone back down on a surface. The rubber casing wraps around the back a little bit. It has an extra cutout for some reason on one of the sides, but you can see this back of the phone and you can see the Google logo. It shows off that hazel color in this case that the smartphone has. Let's have a look at the other cutout. So we have the extra cutout at the top here, which we saw on another case that our Chief Aperture Officer has purchased as well. This is because my understanding is that this is the ultra wideband antenna for the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and it works best when it is not obstructed, whether that's rubber, plastic, any other material. It's best that that's left unobstructed for it to work. We also have a cutout for the microphone hole at the top of the device. On the left hand side, no cutout whatsoever, and at the bottom you have the cutouts for the speakers and microphone, and more importantly that USB Type-C port for charging the device. At the front you'll see that the Pixel 7 Pro is a curved screen, and this Foluu case leaves a little bit to be desired on the gesture navigation bit here. So if we look at it, for gestures it works great, but it doesn't give you much protection and there's not much lift at the top and bottom. So while the Foluu case is very nice in that it will protect the sides of the device with the bumpers, I think it's a bit lacking on the screen side. So I'd recommend you have a screen protector on your device if you're going to be using this case regularly. And on the back, I'm a bit worried about that protection space at the top. But value for money, this is around about £7.99 on Amazon UK. That's £7.99 sterling. I think that's pretty good value for a case. The only issue I have is that it doesn't give that much protection to the device. You do get good protection for the back of the phone, so that glass doesn't get shattered, and the sides to avoid both screen and back shattering, but the front is pretty unprotected, and that camera module remains unprotected. So bear that in mind if you do wish to purchase this case from Amazon. I would advise against considering these factors if you are going to buy it. We'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this case on Amazon UK. If you do so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.